Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a data layer push through Google Tag Manager. In the example, I'll be pushing a data layer containing information about a promotional click. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create a custom HTML tag. Second thing you want to do is identify it as JavaScript, wrapping in script tags. Then you want to set the data layer. Now, I'm going to use window.datalayer, and this is to avoid writing off or over any data layer that's already there. If you're comfortable just identifying it as data layer, that's fine, but I would recommend always going with window.datalayer to ensure that the existing data layer is preserved. So what we've done here is we've said that we've identified as window.datalayer is equal to window.datalayer. This is if it already exists when we do the push. If it doesn't, which is the OR, we create a new one, which is empty. Right. So I go window.datalayer.push. Right. So data layer pushes, you always push them in key pair values. So we're going to say event Last thing I want to know is the promotion name. And in this case, I'm going to use the writing here to identify it. Try that one more time. Right. So my trigger is going to be a generic click trigger, and we'll find it shortly. If anyone doesn't know what this is, it's a JavaScript piece of code to identify a particular element, which is here, and then the dot inner text is just the inner text of the element. So it should look like that. Cool. Cool. So we can see there that on click the data layer was pushed successfully, and we can then see that Tag Manager has picked up the data layer variable, as obviously it listens for variables that you push into it. So you can see here we've got our event, promo click, a page URL, or sim, a promotion name, all within it.